Recording. So good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the 2 days workshop on Vedic mathematics, the magical mathematics. So we'll start from the very beginning. Why Vedic maths? Why mathematics? And the first thing I would say, pat yourself. Congratulate yourself because you have taken the first step towards learning of Vedic maths. See, number of times it has happened that we make a resolution, we think of something, and then we delay our plans. Just now, New Year has passed. Before that, we might have made so many plans. We'll start morning walk from Jan 1st. We'll start with yoga from Jan 1st. We'll start with meditation. We'll start learning something new. We'll start doing this, that. What happened on the first day? All gone. So when we take the initiative, when we take the first step, at that time we should congratulate ourselves, motivate ourselves, boost ourselves. See, no one will come to you and boost you or make you more confident. It is you who has to back yourself. So, Tanita, did you plan some resolutions this new year? Yes, Rajat?
Yes, sir.
Kamal?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let me introduce myself first. So, I'm an international trainer for Vedic mathematics. Also an author who has written books on learn Vedic mathematics step by step. Adding to this, I have also now written books on for the students of class 3rd, 4th specifically. And I have been an educator for last 26 years. So I motivate and help people to learn and grow as an entrepreneurs. Now, you know why I said congratulate yourself, pat yourself, because you took the first step. Remember, the first step is the most difficult one. Thereafter, journey starts. But the first step is what decides your fate. The first step is what decides your future. So it is the most difficult to initiate. Correct. So once initiated, it can start. Another problem we often see now. Oh, I'm an old teacher now. I've been already teaching 20 years. I've grown up now. So will I be able to learn? Will I be able to do something new now? See, please understand one thing. There is a will, there is a way. If you remember Donald Trump, when did he become the president of most powerful country of the world? The age when we think to retire, 70s. So if he would have thought the same way, would he have elected? Or would we have participated in the elections? The KFC man, you know how many times he suffered the failure, but still today we all like KFC. We all know him. The very first thing you need to understand is life can start when you will to. So just keep this thing in your mind. It can start at any point of time when you plan, when you think. So all depends on you. And that is what our holy books, epics, they all explain us. To be confident and to be motivated every time. But is it so? Are we motivated and confident all the time? No. Just the small instances and we get demotivated. We lose our confidence. Oh, and what happens? I'm not happy today. I'll not have food. I'm not happy today. I'll not work. And sometimes you might have seen everything is ready, everything is planned. And at the last moment, you lose that interest, you lose that confidence, and everything has gone. So, very first thing, believe that this is what happens. I was giving you an example of New Year resolution. Just think if you would have planned for a movie that day on the 1st of Jan, will you ever fail in that? No. See, always remember one thing, every positive thought gives you a negative doubt. So you can say there is always a negative doubt associated with every positive thought. Whenever you think, okay, I'll start with new journey, I'll start with meditation, I will start with yoga, I will start with this, immediately a doubt will come. What will I do? The very first doubt. But does it comes when you think, okay, I'll go for a movie tomorrow? Does that thought comes? Well, what will I do with the movie? No. I will not say movie is bad or movie is a negative. But is it that constructive? Is it that educative? Is it that which can change your life? Don't worry. Now you are at the right time and right place. And today we'll understand the magic of Vedic mathematics, which will overrule all your fear, havoc, stress you have been facing throughout your life in mathematics. So let's start this workshop with positivity and confidence. So today is the day to learn. We'll be learning something regarding Vedic mathematics, lead and move towards a path to succeed in life. I'll give you the reasons why I call Vedic maths as a new journey, why I call it is a path of success. I'll explain you every point of that. So before that, let's start with what is Vedic maths? Yes, Rajat. What is Vedic mathematics? Anything you want to add? Sanita?
So calculating math calculations to increase calculation speed using sutras.
What is Vedic maths? See, if we'll start with the students, if you think this is the first year, you have a first class or first interaction with the students. So what will you say? What is Vedic mathematics?
The ancient system of
Okay.
calculation. It was given by I forgot the name, sir. Sri. Okay, I didn't remember his name. Okay. He invented sutras, which help us to calculate, which help us to do the calculations in 10 fastest way.
No issues. You are correct, but when it is a first session,
okay, sir,
you need to bring the students to a very simple language. What is Vedic maths? What makes your mathematics easy, simple, and faster? Okay. Correct. Simple, easy, and faster. And in one word, if I say, equal. Sir? Now, yes, you are true. It is ancient mathematics and all those stuff. Question arises, why it is called as Vedic mathematics? Why not something different? So it is called Vedic mathematics because of its origin from Vedas. How many Vedas do we have? How many Vedas do we have? Rajat, how many Vedas do we have? Kamal,
Four.
four Vedas. So they are Tham Veda, Yajurveda, then Rig Veda, and Atharveda. So the fourth Veda, Atharveda. So basically, Vedic mathematics is called so because of its reason from Atharveda, the Veda which deals with the branches like engineering, mathematics, culture, medicine, and all the sciences which we are today aware of. Also, Vedic maths means Vedic, the word Vedic means ocean of knowledge. So, Vedic mathematics, you got to understand why Vedic, because of its origin. Now, this was from Atharveda, but how did we get it? This subject was revived by the efforts of Jagat Guru Swami Bharati Krishna Tiraji. Now, he was a Shankaracharya, a saint at Govardhan Puri, that is in Odisha. So, during his tenure, he did this work which and compiled a book which we today call as Vedic mathematics. So, that was a brief history how the name got originated, how it is from Atharveda, and the father of Vedic mathematics is Swami Bharati Krishna Tiraji, who was a Shankaracharya at Govardhan Peeth. Clear? Any questions up till here? Clear? Okay. Now, so now technically, when you have to move, so Vedic maths is a collection of techniques. Now, what are techniques? Or you can say formulas. So if you remember, in maths, we use some formulas. And officially, we call it as a technique, a way out. Now, these formulas and sub-formulas in Vedic maths, we call them as sutras. So Vedic maths is a collection of techniques or formulas or sutras to solve mathematical calculations in easy and faster way. Now, how many formulas do we have? So we have 16 main formulas, which we call as 16 sutras and 13 sub-sutras or sub-formulas. And so where do we use these formulas? Now, this formulas or Vedic maths can be used in arithmetics, algebra, trigonometry, geometry, calculus, conics, and even organic chemistry. So wherever there is mathematical calculation, we can use the concepts of Vedic maths, even in physics, when we do have formulas. So to make the calculation faster, there also we can use these concepts of Vedic mathematics. Correct? So see how widely we can use this. Now, we said Vedic maths is very simple, easy, and faster. That was one point. Now, question arises, why? Why should we do Vedic maths? What is the necessity? Why Vedic mathematics? The first reason, if you see, it helps to solve mathematical problems 10 to 15 times faster. Yes, Tanita, you also gave the same answer.
Yes, sir.
Now the question arises, this is true. This line you will find in every book, every social media, every Google, everywhere you will find this word. Vedic mathematics helps to solve mathematical problem 10 to 15 times faster. But the question arises, why? Why does Vedic maths help to solve the calculations 10 to 15 times faster? Yes. Can you tell me?
Because by using shortcuts,
Sorry?
the formulas helps us to do it faster in a faster method.
We have formulas in maths also. But why with Vedic maths it becomes 10 to 15 times faster? You got my point. See, I'm not here, I'm specifically asking why with Vedic mathematics it becomes 10 to 15 times faster.
Because we will do it in do it mentally.
Correct. This is one major point. Now, why you can do it mentally? How can you do it mentally? Or why you can do it mentally? Tell me. You are correct because you can do these calculations mentally. So that is one reason. But again, the question comes back: why mentally is possible? Why not maths is possible mentally?
By using the sutras, I think we can do it
Sutras are
mentally.
nothing
Sir.
but formulas. Is sutra a different thing?
Yes, sir.
There is a background noise at your end. Are you in a class?
My sister is attending some other class. I will ask her to
No
use.
we can manage. Okay. Now I'll give you the reasons. Now, these reasons you will not find in any book because these are the practical reasons. Okay, very first question. How do you write on a paper?
Using pen or pencil like that.
Which direction do you write? Left to right.
Left to right.
Perfect. So you write from left to right. How do you read a paper?
Left to right.
Left to right. Just see in front of you, wherever you are sitting, just see in front of you. What is the first thing you see? Things placed on left or things placed on right? It's fraction of seconds, but just observe. Try to observe. It is again left to right.
Left to right.
So that means everything you do, that is from left to right. Now the question arises, if everything you do left to right, why maths, calculations, right to left? Why do you do this? Why do we do maths calculations the reverse way? If everything we are doing left to right, why maths calculation the reverse way? Can you give me the reason? Yes,
Don't know, sir.
you have been doing maths at least. Vedic maths also, you have done basics. So why do we do this? you ask this question to any math teacher, he would say simply, sir, because unit place is on left, is on right, then tens place, then 100 place. So we do by the place values. No. Actually, we never tried it. And today we'll see that all things. See, before learning Vedic maths, you should know why should you learn Vedic maths? What did you miss if you were not learning that? That is very important because that will motivate the students you're working with. Ultimately, the end result is you need to promote, you need to work with your students, and they should find this interesting, useful, beneficial for them. Otherwise, what is the use? Correct. So, do you know, this is the reason why our mental maths is very slow. So, very first reason why speed increases with Vedic mathematics is direction. In Vedic maths, you can work from left to right or right to left. You can do the calculation both the ways, independent of the direction. So when you are independent of the direction, you tend to increase speed. Second question, if your maid is absent, are you able to finish household jobs in less time, or you take more time than that? Yes, Tanita. Now Kamal cannot answer this. Rajat cannot answer this. Tanita. Email.
Can do it faster, sir.
Faster. Do you know why you can do it faster? Because now you are not instructing someone and you are doing it independently. This is the only reason, because you are doing independently. Similarly, in Vedic maths, you are doing the job independently. You told, yes, you can do mentally. So what does that mean? Mentally means you are not using paper, you are not using pen. You're just using your brain. And when you are not using paper and pen, you tend to increase the speed. So this is the second reason why your speed gets increased. And whatever we are talking, we'll have a practical answers to everything. Correct. Third point. One very important thing. We said we are able to do the calculations mentally. You know, when you are doing the calculations mentally, what happens? Some part of the calculation that is stored in your intellect, inner brain, and both your brains get activated. I'm saying both your brains. So how many brains we have? We have left brain, we have right brain. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now, what do you think? Who has left brain active and who has right brain active? Who are the people who have left brain active? And who are the people who has right brain active?
Right-handed person will have left brain active, and left-handed person will have right brain active, sir.
Now you see, right hand and left brain have right brain. You are talking about reverse, correct? Are you living in a joint family or individual?
Individual, sir.
Okay, then you might not have realized this fact that we never you might have never realized that our parents, our grandparents, they never allow our kid to write with the left hand. Do you remember this? It might have happened with you when you were putting in your childhood days, or you might have observed. And 99% of people are right-handed, more than that. So that means they are not using their right brains. No, actually, this is wrong. Because if this is true, then our parents would have never forcefully, you check with your grandparents, they forcefully make the student write from right hand. Nobody likes writing from left hand. In actual, how these are connected is left brain means logically stronger. You might have seen there are few students in the class who always are, let it be they are sitting at the last bench or the first bench, that does not matter. They always have a question, why, how. For every small thing, they have a question, why and how, because they are logically stronger. They always need an answer to their queries. And people who are more towards arts, music, they are generally right brain active. So left means logical and right brain means your people who are more interested towards art, music, and some same similar kind of industry. Manash, what happened so late? Manash, you are half an hour late. So we should not take it that left-handed means right brain and left. Now, what happens with Vedic maths? Both your brains start working. How it will start working, we'll again see in the example today, that how you are able to calculate with your both the brains. And fourth reason, now these are the important reasons what happens behind the scene, why our speed gets increased with Vedic mathematics. Yes, Manish, you have to say something. Manish, are you there? Manish.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me. You're late today. What happened?
I am come back from office late.
Okay, no issues. So we'll have take out your paper and pen. We'll start with the calculation part within 2 minutes. So I'm just briefing what is Vedic maths, why does it makes faster, and so many other things we discuss. You can see the video later on. And the fourth point is, you might have often seen that when two, you know, visualization is the term. We always have a complaint. Parents have a complaint to the teacher, teachers have a complaint to the parents that my child is not able to focus, pay attention, concentrate. You know the reasons behind that? The basic reason is visualization. We are not able to visualize. Now, with Vedic maths, you start visualization that give birth to reasoning and ultimately logics. visualization, reasoning, and logic. I'll give you a small example for this. Let's say, if you remember, if two students are fighting, a teacher or a parent will always say, please calm down. Now, what is the reason behind that? We say, calm down, because we want them to come into the current situation and think over it. And what do you think? Basically, you want them to visualize the situation, because number of times that you'll find just by thinking again, you'll find, no, it was a silly mistake of both of us. And that quarrel got sorted out. Same is the case with Vedic mathematics. You start visualizing the numbers, and with the numbers, that generates reasoning and logics. So generally, I just call it as a student or anyone who has more of visualization, reasoning, and logic. These three factors are life-changing process. Life-changing process, yes. And that is the reason why so many holy institutions who were already earlier teaching only yoga and meditation, now they have added Vedic mathematics. Because yoga heals your body, meditation heals your soul, but academic performance is healed by Vedic mathematics. And today we'll learn all those things. Yes, any question, Thanita, up till now? Any questions? Now you got to know what was behind the scene, why speed was getting increased.
Yes, sir.
Okay, any questions you have?
No,
Manesh,
sir.
if you have any questions, though you were late, any questions regarding Vedic mathematics, you can ask me now.
No, sir.
Okay, so let's start with the first solutions. So take out your paper and pen, and the first calculations we'll do is multiplication with 11 and its multiples. Now, what are multiples of 11? Yes.
22, 33, 44.
Correct. So that means a table of 11. Perfect. Now, why I have chosen 11? Why 11? 11 is a very magical number. A number which, when multiplied with any single digit, let's say I'm multiplying 11 with 2, the same single digit number gets repeated. If I multiply with 4, it becomes 44. If I multiply with 5, it becomes 55. If I multiply with 8, it becomes 88. 9, it becomes 99. So that is the reason I called it as magical number. It's not nowhere in the tables when you'll find such number. But the question is now, does this magic continues when we start with double digits, triple digits, 4 numbers, 5 numbers? Does this magic continues? So today we'll understand that also. My first question is 11 into 12. Now what is the answer? What is the 11 into 12? What is the answer?
132, sir.
132. How did you find out?
Memorizing the tables.
Memorizing the tables. So that means if I ask you a bigger question, then you'll again start thinking. If instead of this, I would have asked you 126, then 126 table, and then to 11.
I have to work it out, sir.
Sorry?
I have to work it out, sir.
Okay.
Then
Now, from today, you will not need any such things. Yes, Manas, how did you find out? So 11 into 12, generally what we do with every student start doing the multiplication 12, 0, 1, 2, 1, 3, 2. This is correct. But today we are learning Vedic maths and we have to be much faster. We have to do it mentally. So how is it possible? Whenever you have 11 at one end, because multiplication means one M1 and one M2. So if 11 is at one end, whatever is the number, see how to do. First digit as it is, second digit as it is. In between, add the 2. What is 1 plus 2? So this is the answer. One more example. 23 into 11. 2 as it is, in between 2 plus 3, 5. So see how easily, and with the brain also you can do. First 2, then 2 plus 3, 5, 3. Finish. Is it clear?
yes, sir.
One. Okay, what is 34 into 11? Fast. Yes, Manas, you have to answer.
374.
Kamal, if anybody finds it difficult to speak, please, you can chat the answers. But if you not answer, you will not experience the magic I wanted to show you. I'll show you how you all change the way you think. See why this practice is going on, because I want today to change your way of thinking. I want you to be faster than the calculators. These are just 2-digit number. 40-digit, 50-digit number also you'll be able to do. But for that, you need to answer these small ones. Yes, Manas, 34 into 11. Kamal, Rajat, no one? Yes, Anita,
374, sir.
374. Very good. 45 into 11. Fast.
495.
Very good. 11.
891.
See, Manas, if you will not answer, how can you ask your students to answer? If a teacher is not excited to learn, how will he be excited to teach? Correct. 72 into 11.
792, sir.
792. 70 into 11.
770.
42 into 11.
462.
462. How fast you are able to do it. You know how fast. It's faster than the calculator, because on the calculator you need to press so many digits and then you will be able to find this. But here you are able to do much faster. Correct? Right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. One
Yes.
more. 16 into 11. So that is 693. Right? Now I'll ask two simple questions. 36 into 11. Yes, Tanita. Manas, Kamal, Rajat, Indra, Amit. Good. 396. But what is then 37 into 11? What is 37 into 11? 407. But how does it happen? See, for this, you need to understand the basic rule of place values. Now, how many? Yes, Tanita? How many digits you can have at unit place? How many digits you can have at unit place?
1, sir.
1. How many digits at tens position?
1, sir.
How many digits at 100 position?
1, sir.
Yes, Manas, do you agree with her? Kamal, Rajat, Indra, do you agree with her? That is the problem, Manas. She is correct. See, we all have crammed. Unit place means 1 digit. Tens means 2 digits. 100 means 3 digit. No. In actual, at every place, you have only 1 digit. I'll give you, to explain this, understand how many, if you have 20 students in a class, how many chairs do you require? 20. And what happens? Suppose the students are walking into the classroom. One student, the first student takes the first chair. Now what will happen? When the second student approach, he'll say, move, shift. They'll shift to the next. That is what happened in the case of. So please remember, if you understand this concept that every position, only 1 digit can come. Yes, digit is 1. It could have 0 to 9, any number. Here also, you can have any number 0 to 9. Here also 0 to 9. But only 1 can come, not more than 1. And this is exactly same happened in case of 36. The answer was 396. How? 3 as it is, 6 as it is, and in between 9. Now I'm just adding certain lines. I added 2 lines so that 3 positions were there. Just to explain you, now these are called as balancing lines in Vedic maths. Balancing lines. Physically, they don't exist. It is to understand entire Vedic maths. If you understand this concept, 85% of Vedic maths is done. Everything can be solved using these balancing lines only. And when I asked you 37, what happened? 3 as it is, 10 and 7. Now, if this is a unit place, yes, you are correct, 1 digit. But can we have 2 digits here? No. That was the reason the extra digit is pushed further and that added to the digit at 100 position and it became 407. Manas, is it clear now? See, you did it correct. But if we don't know the exact reason behind it, how will we further pass this knowledge? So please understand. Now, let's say 67. So now how to do it mentally? See, I know the 6 should come, but I again start thinking, what will 6 and 7 give me? The 6 and 7 will always give you a carryover. If there is a carryover, just add 1 initially only. 6 plus 7, 3 is left. because 1 has already gone. 7 digits. So correct. Otherwise, for the first day, you can have like this 6, 13, 7. So 737. Both the ways are there. So this is mental process. And this is if you do pay on paper today. But I would request try this because this will open your brain. Yes, Thanita, now is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, okay, so what is 48 into 11?
528.
528. Just think, you answered within 2 seconds. Can you get the answer from calculator in 2 seconds? No,
No, sir.
because you'll first press 4, then 8, then multiplication. So 2 digits, then multiplication third, then 2, 1, 5, and then is equal to. So that will take more time. And see, your brain, you are able to do it so quickly. So that is what gives satisfaction to the students. What they were not able to do since long, they are able to do within seconds. Clear? Is it clear now? Okay,
Yes, sir.
let's do practice. 40. We have done 46 into 11. Let's do fast.
506.
506. 59 into 11.
649.
649. Yes, Manas, are you getting these answers? Kamal, Indra, Rajat, are you getting these answers? Okay, good. That's great. 64 into 11.
704.
Perfect. 73 into 11.
803.
803. Perfect. See, this is how you start thinking because you know carryover means only one. Because 2 digits, if they are added, that will give you only 1. So this is the visualization process. Okay. 88 into 11.
978, sir.
Very good. 978. What is the largest 2-digit number? What
Sorry,
is
sir.
that?
98.
99. What is 99 into 11?
1089.
1089. 1089. Yes, Manas. Did you get this answer? So you can do mentally this way. Or just think this is 9, add 1, 10. And 9 plus 8, 9 is 18. That means it will give you 1. And so 8 and 9 as it is. Clear now? Any doubt? Any questions you have? Clear up till here, Anita?
Sir, no questions, sir.
Okay. This is 3-digit number. That was 2 digits number. We'll go to 3-digit number. So what is 1, 2, 3 into 11 then? One, 2, 3 into 11. Yes. So see, just observe. First digit as it is, then keep on adding. What is 1 plus 2? 3. What is 2 plus 3? 5.
5.
And last digit as it is. See how easy. 1, 3, 5, 3. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So what is 3 to 1 into 11 then? Quick, fast. Don't use paper.
3, 5, 3, 1.
5, 3, 1. See how easy it is. And if you take the calculator, you are much faster than that. 1, 4, 5. Yes, what is the answer?
1, 5, 9, 5.
1, okay. 6, 3, 6.
6, 9, 9, 6.
6, 9, 9, 6. Perfect. Now we'll have some carryover. 4, 8, 4.
5, 2, 5, 3, 2, 4.
See, first thing, please understand. 4 and 8. Now, just think these two first. So that means I should have 4. But no, one carryover I am getting. So 5. Now 4 and 8, it gives 2 as the balance. But again, there is a carryover coming from the next. So 3, 2, 4. Otherwise, 4, 12, 12, 4. Both the ways you can do it. Clear? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. Let's move further. 6, 7, 6. What is the answer?
6, 4, 3, 6.
How 6? How will it remain 6?
7, 4, 3, 6. Sorry, sir.
7, 4, 3, 6. Perfect. Right? You have to understand that basics. If you find it difficult, first day can go ahead with this. But it is very easy. First digit, what is carry? See, this is how you are using both your brains now. One brain is doing what is here. Another brain is thinking what will come next. So this is a brain exercise where both your brains start working simultaneously. And a very good exercise of such is multiplication with 2. You learn when you go further how calculations can be done. Now, 7, 3, 6 into 11. Yes, what's the answer?
8, 1. Sorry. 7 plus 3, 10. 8096, sir.
8. Yes, tell me, tell me.
8096.
Perfect. And if it is 786, then what is the answer?
8646, sir.
8, 6, 4, 6. Clear? Okay. One more. 8, 9, 3. Rajat, you are not answering. Kamal, you are not answering. Indra, not answering. It will affect you only. Manas,
10856, sir.
1, 9, sorry.
10.
How? 1, 0.
Sorry. 9, 7. Sorry, 9.
See, no issues. Understand that. 8. Now, if I have to, so it will increase by 1, 9. 8 and 9 is 17. So that means 7 is left. But no, I'm getting a carryover from this also. 8. 9 plus 2. Clear? So
Yes,
this
sir.
is how you have to do. Now, one more. 6, 1, 9.
6709, sir.
7, 0, 9. Got it? Is it correct? See now.
6809, sir. Sorry,
Yes.
sir. 68.
Got it? Don't worry. See, it's just the beginning. And not more than, we've just done not more than 30 minutes. But if you practice, you can. Then you can be much faster. Okay. So what is the last in this 3-digit? What is the largest 3-digit number?
999, sir.
999. What is 999 into 11 then?
So 10989, sir.
109.
89, sir.
Perfect. Okay. Now you are clear. Any questions you have? See how easy was multiplication, which we never thought is this way. Okay, no. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4-digit number. Now can you do it? Yes. First, as it is
1,
1,
3,
5.
5, 7, 4.
Done. Clear?
Yes, sir.
If I put here 5, then
1, 3, 5, 5.
1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5. Correct? And if I would have asked you this question in the beginning, what you would have answered? Sir, don't see. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's say 5, 2, 1, 3, 4, 3, 2, 4, 5, 3, 1, 5. I'm just not taking carryovers initially so that you should not find it difficult. But yes, you can take it. Let's say this is a big number into 11. Can you not calculate now? Yes. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 7, 3, 4, 7, 7, 5. Can you calculate?
Yes, sir.
Things are not difficult. The only thing is we were not aware of the system. Okay. Any doubt? Any doubt in this topic, multiplication with 11?
No.
Any question you have? Okay. So what was the what was the topic? What topic we started? Yes. We started with some topic. What was that? Multiplication with 11. Correct?
Yes.
Where did we multiply? What are your observations? The first point is, where did we multiply? So that means the topic was wrong. Tell me. Was the topic wrong? Where did we multiply? Did you understand my question? Achha, come on. Did you understand my question? No. See, when we first teach multiplication to the student, the first topic is 2 into 3 is equal to 6. This is generally class second or third. At that time, a student is not able to understand what is this cross. So what do we teach? If 2 is added 3 times, it becomes 6. Or if 3 is added 2 times, it becomes 6. And then a definition is created. Multiplication is repetitive addition. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So my first question was 11 into 12. Did I add it 11, 12 times? Or did I add it 12, 11 times? So that means it's not addition also. Yes, Indra said addition. How? What is this then? If it is not multiplication, if it is not addition, then what? Tell me. You have to speak. Then only you will be understanding the points. Maybe you are wrong, no issues. I'll correct you. See, just understand 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Did you added 1 and 3? No. Did you added 1 and 4? Did you added 2 and 5? No. What you were adding? You were adding only 1 and 2, 2 and 3, 4 and 5. So that means only corresponding digits. So the concept of 11, you are basically adding corresponding digits. This is the observation. Clear? And it's not simple addition, it is adding the correspondence digits. Okay. What next? Anything else did you understand or learned in this concept? Tell me. Rajat, direction, fast. Yes, Sanita, what about you?
So there was network issue. I can't hear what you asked me.
My question is, what did you observe from this system of multiplication of 11? First thing we observed that we were adding corresponding digits. What else? I'll give you a hint. What we never did before. No. Okay, we have to go for other topics also. See, the first time in your life you were calculating from left to right. Just see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you answered me 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 5. Please try the same question from right side. Can you do it mentally faster? Mentally, I'm saying maybe on paper you can do today faster because you have a practice of so many years. 30 years you have a practice of doing from right to left. But can you do that same mentally? Tell me. Is it possible to do mentally?
No, sir.
What is faster? What is faster than left to right or right to left?
Left to right.
Oh, why did you till now? Till now, we never tried such things. Why? The entire life has gone. We never thought in this way. And we were just focusing. Unit place is at right, tens place, then 100. See, things can be done. I'll give you a very simple example to this. Have you ever driven cycle? Cycle चलाई है? Oh, yes, anyone? Okay. Have you
Yes,
ever
sir.
tried? Huh?
Yes, sir.
So what happens when it is flowing from the front? What happens? You have to more pressure. And if the wind is from the back, you can move easily. Or the same is the case when you are sailing a boat. When the wind is from back, you are able to move it faster. When the wind is from the front, you tend to become slower. Correct? Please understand these basics. Same happens with the numbers. Maths is nothing but numbers. Maths is a nature. You can understand now why speed. I told you, speed, direction change. Got it? And visualization. Clear? Yes, Kamal, Rajat. Okay. If it is clear, are we ready for the test? So I'll have a test now. Are you ready? Are you ready for the test?
Yes, sir.
Sure. Okay. My first question is 141 into 22. Yes, what is the answer? Yes, what is the answer? Okay, Kamal, we have given the answer, but my question is more. Yes, Kanita?
Uh,
Hmm?
310.
How? 141 into 22. 282. Correct? This is how you did?
Yes, sir.
Then what is why we are doing Vedic maths? This is why I asked you to understand the things. Can you not visualize this? What is 22?
So we can multiply it 141 by 2 first, then I can apply 11, sir.
Why didn't you do this? Because this would have been a mental case. See, 141 into 2 into 11. That means 282 into 11. We know 3102. We can do it mentally. Can we not do it mentally?
We can, sir.
That means we were not focusing. See, this is what is known as visualization. If you start understanding, if you start visualizing the numbers, just if you see, the moment you visualize this is 2 into 11, you got the answer mentally. Otherwise, you were doing 4 steps. Got my point? But
Yes, sir.
there is a backbencher. The backbencher says, no, sir, 141 into 11 into 2. Because 22 is 11 into 2 also. That is 1551 into 2. That is 3102. Now, both are correct. But which is appropriate? See, one thing is correct. Both are correct. I'm not denying with the fact which is correct. I'm saying which is more appropriate. Yes. So Kamal said 2. Rajat said 1. Toss nahi ho raha hai. One says 1, other says 2. Yes, Tanita, what about you?
So we have to go for the splitting the 22 into 11 times 2. That method will be correct.
Which is first or
It will
second?
be so much faster.
What is first or second?
Sir,
Which is correct? First or second?
Can do either way, sir.
This is more appropriate. This you need to understand. We have to form a general trend. No? Why do we use formulas? That becomes a general concept. See, this.
Then we can go for first method, sir.
Why? Reason.
Because 141 will be the smallest number to multiply it by 2. Then we can go for addition easily.
No, see, please understand. 11 is such a magical number. You can multiply with even 40 numbers. Let's say if it was 99 here, 141 into 9 is easy, or 1551 into 9 is easy. First one. So always remember, whenever you have multiplier, whenever you have such numbers, so first multiply with the multiplier and then with the 11. It would be helpful to you. It would be easy for you. It would be faster for you. Now, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt? So first test gone. Let's say I'll have one more question in the test. 5, 7, 6 into 1, 2, 1. Now what is the answer?
We can multiply 120. We can split 121 as 11 times 11. Then we have to perform it twice.
So that means now you are able to visualize. See, if you do this way, 576 into 121, that means 3 times multiplication and 4th time addition. It cannot be done mentally. But the moment you thought, you visualize. See, first step is visualization. 121, you visualize, it is 11 and 11. Reasoning. With 11, it is very easy. 576 into 11. What is this? 6, 3, 3, 6. Finish. Into 11. 6, 9, 6, 9, 6. See, now you can do it mentally. Yes or no? Can be done mentally or not?
Yes, sir.
Just think, if I would have asked this question in the beginning, would you be able to do this? But now, with reasoning and logic, you are able to do. So that's what I said. It is a life-changing process. Visualization, reasoning, and logic. Not only in mathematics, not only in Vedic Maths, in your entire life. You come across any situation in your life, if you are able to visualize, you find the reason and then apply the logic. It is done. Got my point? The only thing is that visualization. So that cannot be taught. It can only be started with practice. When you are doing maths. Now, I told you, when you are going at a PTM, teacher has a problem. Your child does not concentrate. Mother has the same problem. My child is not able to focus. He's not paying attention. Both have the same problem with the child, but nobody has taught how to concentrate, how to focus, how to pay attention. See, certain things in life cannot be taught. They can only be inherited with practice. And this is one big among that. That if visualization becomes a part of your habit, you will always be successful in your life, whatever you do. Clear? Any doubt, any question you have? So we'll go back. So this was my topic. Why Vedic mathematics? And first reason I gave, it helps to solve mathematical problems 10 to 15 times faster. So we were faster in this calculation. We will see tomorrow more on this. First, you'll be doing the homework. I'll give you the homework. You have to attempt those homework, and then you'll feel that positivity. Okay. Now, this is what we learned. Again, I'll give you link. You can download the notes also. So this was what we did. We tested ourselves 141 into 21, 22, and that was 576. Okay, 564. It's okay. Correct. So what we were doing, we were actually adding corresponding digits and not multiplying. This is very important thing which we understood. And second thing, we were calculating from left to right, rather right to left. Second important reason, why should we learn Vedic maths? Because of the burden. Okay, everyone. Up to which number you can write or remember tables easily? Everyone. Up till which numbers you can write or remember tables easily? Yes, Tanita?
It's up to 12.
Up to 12. Somebody has given 16 also. Kamal 16, Rajat 12, Tanita 12. Indra, I don't know. Okay. So what happens with 13? Today,
12 also we will struggle little bit, sir.
from today, your struggle is over. The biggest burden in any child is tables, and that is the day from when a child starts moving away from mathematics. You know, where does this word cram comes? It comes from the tables only. Every teacher, you talk about English language, Hindi, science, social science, every teacher will say, understand the concept, learn it, and remember it. But the moment table starts, the math teacher would say, cram it. Because there is no way for them to make them understand the tables. And they are not one or two, any number. So if you talk to 100 people, you will not find, or you might find only one out of 100 who will say, no, I was not having a fear of maths or fear of, tables. 99 would say, yes, tables are a fear factor. So my question is, how much time do you need to write a table of 89? Yes, Kamal. 5 seconds? 5 minutes, okay. Rajat, 5 minutes, Kamal, 10 minutes. Yes, Anita? What about you?
Sir,
How much time you need to write a table of 89?
5 to 10 minutes, sir.
So what if I give you the concept to write table of 89 in 10 seconds? Do you want to have that concept?
Sir.
Okay, so we'll go ahead. Coming back to take out your paper and pen again. What is this? Yes, Tanita? Do you know what is this?
No, sir.
This is a game called Zero Cross. You don't engage with kids. They love this game. Zero kata, zero cross. So we'll make use of this game. And when I'll share you this video, also in that YouTube, there is a video of students. Once I had 85 students in my batch, and the moment I showed them this game, they were shouting like anything. Let them. You need to create the interest. You need to generate that vision in that. Next day, when my counselor asked them, what do you want to learn? They said, we want to learn with the game only. This game is very important. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We'll start from the rightmost corner, move to the middle, go to the top. This is how we will do. Have done up till here? Yes, have you done up till here?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, a very important concept is the first formula or sutra of Vedic maths is ek adhik kena purvena. That means ek adhikena purvena. It means one more than the previous. This is your translation. If you ask about the mathematical meaning, it says add 1 to the previous number. Correct. Very simple. So if I ask you what is Ikadikena Purvena of 1, what is the answer? 1 plus 1, 2. If I ask you what is the Ikadikena Purvena of 8, it is 9. If I ask you what is Ikadikena Purvena of 17, it is 18. Such a simple thing. Now, we'll use this Ikadikena Purvena in how? The first concept which we are doing this tables. So there are two concepts. First is writing tables of numbers ending with 9. So what are the numbers ending with 9? What are the numbers ending with 9?
19, 29, 39, 49.
So our target is 89, first thing. Yes. Then anything, 6, 7, 8, 9, anything. And the second concept we'll be learning is general concept of any tables, 2-digit, 3-digit, 4-digit, 5-digit. So today we'll be covering everything. And that burden of tables, which was there with for 30 years, that will be going within 10 minutes now. Now, how we will apply this? Let's say our numbers are 19 or 39 or 59 or 99. Let's say these are the numbers. Now, how I will apply them is, it will not be applied on the complete number. It will be applied only on the digit before 9 first. Correct. If it is 119, it will be applied on. So this, why I'm saying, see, in Vedic maths, same formula can be applied number of times. So that you need to understand where it is being applied. So here I'll be applying this concept on number before 9. So that means here what will be added? 2, here 4, here 6, here 12, here 10. You understand? Did you understand this? We are not applying Ikadikena Purvena on complete number. We are applying only on the number before 9, because this is focused on the numbers which are ending with 9. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now, let's apply it. So, let's say this was our number 19. I have to write a table of 19. Now, 19 means the new number is 2. Correct? Just add this 2 to every digit. First digit is 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 3 plus 2, 5. And we'll come down reverse way. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 2, 15. 15 plus 2, 17. And 19. See, 19 we started, 19 we ended. Just put a 0 after this. What is this? This is a table of 19. 19 ones are 19, 19 twos are 38, 19 threes are 57, 4s are 76, 5 95, 6 114, 7 133, 152, 171, and 190. Yes, did you get it?
Yes, sir.
One more. 39, suppose I have to do. Correct. So what I'll be adding now? It is 3. So I'll be adding 4.
4.
3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus 4, 11. 11 plus 4, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 19 plus 4, 23. 23 plus 4, 27. 27 plus 4, 31. 31 plus 4, 35. 39. Add 0, finish. So how many seconds? Not even 8 seconds. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this?
No, sir. Super easy, sir.
Super easy. That's okay. So if it is clear, do 29 fast. 29 yourself fast.
So 49.
29, 29.
Okay, sir.
First, I'll give you easy, then we'll do 49. We'll also do. Rajat and Kamal, you also do. Indra, do it.
Finished, sir.
So it took only 10 to 12 seconds. So what was your problem since so long? It is sorted out within seconds. I'll show you 89, 8, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So what is I have to add? I have to add 9. So 8 plus 9, 17. 17 plus 9, 26, 35, 44, 53, 62, 71, 80. Finish. 89. Got it?
Yes, sir.
So now you said 5 minutes, 10 minutes. Now how many minutes you need to write a table of 89?
10 seconds.
30 years you wasted in your life. So why we were not taught such simple methods? Why? Got it? See, this is the problem. See, I'll give you a very simple statistics. 40 students in one class, 10 are going every time, 30 are going for a tuition every time. Any class you talk about, 30 students are going for math tuition and 10 are still failing every time. So is math so difficult that we should remove, because 25% of the students are failing? So math should be removed out of the curriculum, or the teacher is not teaching and we should change the teacher? Yes. Rajat, what do you answer? Yes, Rajat. What do you have to say?
Sir, didn't get it, sir, because
I said every time out of 40 students, 30 are going for tuition and 10 are still failing every time. So what is the reason? Is math so tough that we should remove it from a curriculum, or the teacher is not teaching and we should change the teacher?
the lack of confidence in those students. We have to.
Lack of concentration, ma'am. Class 1, class 2, class 3. Who will teach them concentration? How will they learn concentration from birth? And you are a teacher, you have concentration. So still you were not knowing this method. It is the problem is we enforce mathematics. We try to say, okay, this is the answer. This is how you have to do. You don't give them the freedom to think. See, what is Vedic Maths? It is a journey of transformation from fear of maths to confidence in maths. First thing. Second, it gives you the feeling, yes, I can. So if you have that feeling, yes, I can do, can someone stop you? Just think, whatever you are doing in your life, if you decided, yes, I can do, can someone stop you? And this is what we need to create that feeling, arouse that feeling in the children. Yes, I can. So that is building up the confidence. And the third most important, it gives you, Vedic Maths gives you the freedom to think, to look differently. Now, very simple question. Now, you're from Tamil Nadu. If I say, okay, you have traveled to Kerala by foot, why? So if I ask you, okay, you have a facility of car, you have a facility of bus, you have a facility of train, you have a facility of flight, you'll say, yes, I can go. But what happened with maths? We were enforcing, okay, you have to go by this way only. So that was the problem. One more example, because you should not think that this is only for 2-digit numbers. 119. Let's say if we have to write the table of 119. So what we have to add now? 12. So what is 11 plus 12? 23. 23 plus 12? 35. 35 plus 12? 47. 47 plus 12? 59. 59 plus 12? 71. 71 plus 12? 83. 83 plus 12? 95. 95 plus 12? 107. 107 plus 12? 119. Finish. Is there anything left? Yes, Rajat, Kamal. Is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
Tables ending with 9 are clear.
Yes, sir.
Now you said, now let's come to the general topic. Every table, which we said we will do it. So let's come to those also. And go ahead with that. General tables. You said up till 12, you know. Yes, Rajat also said 12. Kamal said 16. Now, my question comes, what happens, let's say if it is 12, what happens in 13? Why do we find it difficult?
The number getting bigger.
Numbers getting bigger. Okay. How many of you know table of 1? Yes, Kamal, do you know table of 1? Rajat? Table of 1, Sanita? Table of 1, Indra?
Yes, sir.
No? Everyone knows.
Yes, sir.
Table of 3, you know?
Yes, sir.
So what is the problem in 13? Either way. Table of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Is it clear? Any doubt? Or is it wrong?
Clear, sir.
3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Is it same or wrong?
Same, sir.
So am I correct? Huh?
Yes.
Okay. Now, just think this is a unit place, this is a tens place. Bring them together. 13, 26, 39. See, all the three.
52, 65, 78.
Just see. So unit place, can you have 2 digits? No, you'll just have 2. What will 1 go? It will be moving further. It becomes 52. 5 here, 6, 8 here, 7, 1 here, 9, 4 here, 10, 7 here, 11, 0 here, 13. Is it rocket science? Is it really difficult? Till now, what we were doing? We were either cramming 13 ones are 13, 13 twos are 26, 13 threes are 39. This was first technique. Second method, some teachers said, okay, keep on adding because multiplication is repetitive addition. Okay, keep on adding. 13, it is not difficult. But if it is 37 or 87, the calculations will become tough. But now tell me, here you are adding 13 and 13. Here you're just adding 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1, 7 plus 2. So what is easy? Adding 13 every time or adding 4 plus 1, 5 plus 1, 6 plus 1?
With one, sir.
Is it really difficult, Sanita? A very simple question.
Now it is easy, sir.
So why we were not able to get this knowledge earlier? Why we
No one
didn't?
takes it, sir.
Sanita, this question, I don't like it. Who taught you? See, your parents or your ancestors, they taught you roti and chapati. Who taught you pizzas, pastas, and all those stuff? You learned it from social media. You learned it from friends. What about education? When did we open our book last time? When we gave exam of last exam. The moment we start doing job or we enter into business, we never open a book. A book which was costing 250 rupees, it was sold in Raddi for 25 paisa. Yes or no? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Then let's take a bigger number. 87, 16, 14, 24, 21, 32, 28, 40, 35. Let's make it 87. 4 here, 17, 1 here, 26, 8 here, 34, 5 here, 43. So what is difficult? Now you'll say, okay, sir, written wise it is correct. How they will be learning? Because tables are generally crammed, tables are generally listened. Okay, sir. Let's say somebody asked 88 into 4. Just think 32, 32. Don't use that calculation. Calculate at the same step. Place-wise multiplication. This is 32. This is also 32, 32, 32. Now think, can we have a unit test? So immediately add the first digit here because it cannot be have 3 digits. It would be 2 digit only. So always add the first digit to them. So 3, 5, 2, finish. This mentally students can't do it. The only thing they were not able to visualize. Now they can visualize 78 into 4. So, okay, 7 into 8, 28. And 8 into 4, 32. So, 28 and 4, 31. So, 3, 1, 2, 3. Got it? Yes,
Yes,
or
sir.
no? Not only 2 digits. You can have any numbers. Tables, let's say 3, 5, 7. So, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. I'm just doing up till 5 levels. You can complete later. 10, 15, 20, 25. Here, 14, 21, 28, 35. So what happens? This is as it is. Here, 4 first digit. Here goes, it becomes 11. Again, only you can have only 1 digit. 7. Similarly, 1, 7, 1, 0, 8, 2, 14, 5, 8, 17. Got it? Yes,
Yes,
it's
sir.
clear now. Any now burden of tables, how much time we took? We took only 30 minutes. Any question on tables now? Tell me.
No, sir.
Okay. So let's come back. So why Vedic Maths? First reason was our calculation speed gets increased to 10 to 15 times faster. Second reason I gave you, tables, and we learned tables as well as we did calculation faster. See, this is the game. If you show this to the students, they start scrolling, they start shouting, and there is a humor in your class. That gives that interest is required. So this all notes you can download. I'll give you the links very shortly. So this is all we did. Another reason why Vedic Maths, it reduces scratch work in mathematics as well as finger counting. Scratch work gone because you are calculating mentally. But here I have specifically written finger counting. Why? Because we don't like our kids to do finger counting. We don't like those gestures. And how do they develop those gestures? It's really, they have a habit also, and sometimes it is through abacus. Now, the first question, if you see, this workshop is to make you a trainer. And when you are going to become a trainer, the first question every parent will ask you, which is better, abacus or Vedic mathematics? Yes. What do you think, Kanita, Rajat, Indra, Kamal? What is the answer? What is better, Vedic mathematics or abacus? And why?
So Vedic Maths.
Why? Why is it better?
It doesn't need any tools, sir.
Yes, this is what, see, I'll tell you. First thing is, oh, you need to understand. When we talk about Vedic mathematics, abacus is used for the major four operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. But is it sufficient for any calculation? Then what will you do in fourth class? But with Vedic maths, you can do entire arithmetic, calculus, conics, algebra, trigonometry, and I told you even organic chemistry, physics. So this is one important benefit that limited scope is there in abacus. Second, other reason is use of tool. Now, in abacus, we make a use of tool. Somebody is holding a tool and then explaining. And can you carry a tool? Can you carry a tool to a school or a examination hall? No. But Vedic maths, it's done mentally. And you are always carrying your brain along with you. So that is a reason why it has a preference. Third important reason. Now I'm teaching you. I taught you two concepts. And that two concepts are, for a student, it is entire one class. Tables means a burden removed within. So the same thing if we try to learn in abacus, first we'll be setting with a tool only. So it is easier to learn, easier to teach. Correct? So that is one thing. And the last important reason, Vedic maths is now inculcated in our schools' curriculums. As per national education policy, this has become mandatory, compulsory it would be. So that is the biggest benefit. It helps to increase concentration. Why Vedic maths? It helps to increase concentration. Yes. Why concentration increase? Because now you have visualization, you have reasoning, you have logic. Your right brain, left brain, both are working. You are able to do calculations mentally. What happens with all this? Just think, today when you were doing the calculations with 11, were you not getting that positive feelings in your butterflies going in your stomach? The positivity. When you do the things with positivity, with fun, with interest, you don't need to cram that. Do we need to cram the games? We love it. Same. When your education becomes your love, you'll never lack in concentration. Okay. And last but not the least, it reduces silly mistakes. Now, what are silly mistakes? Multiple carryovers. I gave you one example, 576 into 121. So 3 times you would have multiplied and then added. So many carryovers would have come in between. But so in addition, we don't come across addition, and multiplication will not come across multiple carryovers. And in subtraction, the biggest silly mistake of every child is borrow. So let me tell you, we don't have a concept of borrow. Entire subtraction can be done with entire money transactions across the world can be done with one simple concept of subtraction, that is all from 9 and last from 10. This one line, all from 9, last from 10, you can do any money transaction across the globe. So see how much powerful is this subject. Yes, so do you think there are any now disadvantages?
No, sir.
No disadvantage. No. There are two. One thing, you may not like the calculators anymore. So there will be a waste because you don't need it for calculations. And your friends will have, they'll be jealous of you because of your fast calculations. So these are the two minor disadvantages. So now, do you agree? I started with the word Vedic maths makes mathematical magical. So do you agree with this term or not now?
Yes, sir.
Right. So any questions you have now? Any questions? Okay. Just to sum up. See, I'll give you 3 situations. I interview. Sales meeting or anything. Do you think only your certificates matter now or your skills? Certificates are just your entry to any office. But to be the best, you need 2 things in life now. One is content and one is delivery. And what do we see? There is a question. Will AI replace the teacher? What do you think, Tanita? Will AI replace a teacher? What is your stand on that?
No, sir.
Why?
It can't understand students' mind.
Are teachers understanding students' mind?
So we can
Can
by seeing we can judge whether they understand the concepts or not.
this would have been the fact why students would have been failing. I'll tell you what. See, we are focusing only on one thing, that is content. We try to get the best books. I'll give you an example. Who are looking for Vedic maths also. They try to get the best books on the market, try to get the best notes, try to get the best videos. But where are they going? everything is put it in their store. Have we taken out anything and gone through those details? No. We are not focusing. See, content, you can get it, you can collect it from everywhere. But if you are not able to deliver, what will happen? A very simple example to this is, before Corona, whatever a teacher was saying, a student used to abide to it. So at the time of PTM, if teacher was saying your child is not concentrating in the class, parents used to start beating that child there itself. But now time has changed. If a teacher says your child is not attentive in the class, they say, yes, we know how you also teach. We have seen how the teacher of that city, that state, that school, or that country teaches, and how much down you are. Because please understand, earlier you were only limited to 4 words. Nothing was going recorded, nothing was being. Now, even if you are taking offline class, students are able to check online. Compare you. So content is one thing, but at the same time, delivery is very, very important. So we'll understand some more things tomorrow. But try to do the homework today, and then you see things will change, right? So any further questions you have? So first thing, and if you abide to me, one thing is homework. Second, try to open a Facebook account. If you don't have, if you have, create a page on that. Because page will give you mileage. If you have seen my page, Dr. Yogesh Chandna, author and trainer of Vedic Mathematics, that is my page. Dr. Yogesh Chandna, that is my profile. So I'll tell you the differences between profile and page, because this workshop is not only to teach you Vedic maths, it is how you can move further with this knowledge and gain. So 2 things you have to do. One thing, homework, and second, open a Facebook page. Right? Any other questions you have? Yes. Sanita, Rajat, okay, Kamal. Any questions? Then thank you very much. And I'll just share you the video after some 1 hour and homework very shortly. Right? So thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Thank you, sir.